to Gladwebs, your trusted creative agency partner. As a business owner, you understand the importance of having a website that represents your business professionally and is always up to date. A website that is well maintained can drive more traffic, increase more conversions, and ultimately boost more revenue. This is where we come in. Our website maintenance services are designed to keep your website running at its best 24/7. We handle all the technical stuff so you do not have to. From regular updates and backups to performance monitoring, content management, and search engine optimization, we will keep your website running smoothly and effectively. Regular updates are critical to ensuring that your website is secure and that all the latest features are implemented. We will make sure that all necessary updates and patches are applied, and that your website's core files and plugins are always up to date. We will also perform regular backups of your website so that you can rest easy knowing that your website's data is safe and can be easily restored anytime. Performance monitoring is also crucial. It ensures that your website is running at its best and all the links and forms are working as they should. We will continuously monitor your website's performance, identifying and fixing any issues that may arise to ensure it's running at optimal speed. We understand the importance of having high quality and updated content on your websites. We will make sure your website's content is always up to date and accurate, ensuring that it provides the best experience for your visitors. We will also optimize your website's content for search engines to help it rank higher in search results. To top it all off, we will provide you with regular analytics and reporting so that you can see the impact our maintenance services are having. Thank you for considering Gladwebs as your digital agency partner.